Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Alpha. Binance Alpha is your gateway to discovering early-stage crypto projects, offering a unique opportunity to explore promising tokens before they are widely available. This platform is integrated directly into the Binance ecosystem, making it convenient to access. You can find it within your Binance wallet or directly on the main Binance exchange, providing a seamless experience for users. To begin, open your Binance app and navigate to the Market section. Here, you will find a dedicated Alpha tab where all featured tokens are showcased. Take your time to explore the various projects, reviewing their details and potential. When you are ready to acquire a token, the Quick Buy feature simplifies the process, allowing you to make purchases swiftly and securely, often with optimized settings for better success rates. Binance Alpha stands out with several key features designed to enhance your experience. Projects are handpicked using Binance's industry insights, focusing on strong community interest and alignment with Web3 trends. With Alpha 2.0, you can trade directly using funds from your existing Binance Spot or funding accounts, eliminating the need for a separate Web3 wallet. Additionally, eligible users with a trading history on Alpha may receive exclusive airdrops. To make the most of Binance Alpha, always remember to conduct your own thorough research on any project that catches your eye. Early-stage tokens can be highly volatile, so understanding the associated risks is crucial. Stay updated on new token announcements and platform developments to seize timely opportunities. By combining careful due diligence with active engagement, you can navigate this exciting space effectively and potentially discover the next big innovation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.